So in UFC 6, there's a brand new feature called the gym, and this mode is basically built around progression, rewards and unlocking extra content as you play. From the main menu, just head into the gym section, and this is where you'll start building things up. The more progress you make here, the more cosmetics, alternate fighter appearances and other unlocks you'll earn over time. Once inside, it feels a little different from normal gameplay because there's a management side to it as well. You are not only fighting, you are also developing your gym and deciding where to put your progress. At the top, you have got three main sections: the gym, progression and my profile. The gym tab is where most of your time is probably going to be spent. You'll see different training groups available, and inside each one you can recruit and train fighters. Right now, for example, we have got fighters actively training already, but only a limited number can train at once because trainer slots are restricted early on. You'll also notice that some fighters are locked. If you open them up, you'll see requirements attached to each one, usually based around reaching certain gym levels before they become available. So basically, as your gym levels up, more content opens up. That includes more fighters, more training opportunities and eventually more XP gains. As you continue progressing, new trainer slots unlock too. Early levels open a few of them, then later levels unlock additional trainers until eventually you reach the maximum amount currently available. Having more trainers means you can work on more fighters at the same time, which speeds up progression overall. When selecting fighters, you can also check rewards tied to them. Some rewards are coins, while others unlock cosmetics and appearance items. There are different shots, profile customization items, banners, and extra cosmetic pieces that become available through progression. It also looks like a lot of fighters have their own reward path attached, so training different people gives different unlocks. As fighters complete training cycles, they gain progress and continue moving through their reward track. You'll also notice there seems to be a level cap during progression stages, and once you finish certain groups, you can move into the next categories. So after one section, you'll unlock access to others like smashing machines, heavy hitters, snipers, dynamic strikers, pressure fighters and more. Each category brings its own fighters and unlock conditions. For example, if you jump into later categories, some fighters require higher gym levels before recruitment even becomes possible. You might need to hit level 20 or higher before gaining access. At the moment, trainer limits still apply, so you can only develop a certain amount at once, although that could always change later. Overall though, the system itself is pretty simple. Train fighters, gain progress, level up your gym, unlock more content and repeat. Your current gym level also gives bonuses. So for example, specific categories may receive extra XP boost, making progression quicker depending on what you're focusing on. That's why checking your gym bonuses actually matters. Another thing worth paying attention to is daily challenges. These are probably one of the fastest ways to earn extra XP. You'll get objectives like training fighters, landing punches, winning fights with specific styles, getting TKO victories, and similar tasks. Completing those challenges help push your gym forward faster. There is also the punch card system that works as another reward track where you complete levels over a limited time period and collect extra items along the way. That includes coins, cosmetic, bonus content, and featured rewards before the timer resets. So there are actually quite a few ways to keep earning things even outside normal fights, and that's really the main idea behind the gym right now. It's more about long-term progression, building up your own setup, unlocking rewards, training fighters, and gradually expanding everything as you keep playing. You'll also notice success rates and training updates during progression, which adds another layer to the mode. That's pretty much everything for the gym in UFC 6. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.